Hello guys, today we're doing this bar and we're going up to the top. You can go up. That's the color blue jacket.
Dati 5 piso ay ulod.
Kahit sa dagat, kuya.
Ah.
Yung sa dagat yung mga nagbabago
And
na.
Bobby there, Bobby Studio. That's why. So, look up. There's literally many people going there. We are in the other castle. Still, we're in the other
May
castle
bahay.
right now. How many people? And even the bridge. The bridge. The bridge. Let's go up,
Tumpalangin.
guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe it. I hope you like it. So you're up here. We're the book application. And we're featuring a lot. So that thing is this.
Ay mga mapatas ka ha. Kiki.
There's the building.
Bali mapatas eh.
Ha? Pababa na.
Oh, that's fine. Let's go up.
Kasama kita may milk tea.
Ay, wag na pala kayong pumunta dyan. Ha?
Kain na sa taas.
Wag na nga sila pumunta.
Look,
Kaya wag mo masyadong gaganin sa baka malaki.
pose. That's fine. Pose. Pose. There's too many people here. That's nice. Look at the bridge. It's so golden. It's like pink. It's so nice.
Sabay ka, ayun na.
Let's take a picture.
Sabay na, okay.
Okay. Let's have
Sab,
to
okay daw. Sab. Okay. Sabay na. Bird? Sab. Bird? Sab. Sab.
Memory.
Bird? Sab.
That's what I'm telling you. Nothing.
Sab. Bird?